Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Smart Build. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a straight outdoor tap. As you guys can see, the tap is already not straight, which is obviously a problem. So next step would be remove the tap turning anti-clockwise using a water pump plier. What I did, I removed the old PTFE tape and I'm going to be applying a new one. Once I have applied the new PTFE tape, I'm going to put the tap back on. As you guys can see, it's still not straight, and I'm going to be removing the top and the PTF tape again. The reason why I put the tap back on was so show you guys the top will still not be straight. So what you need is a thread to wrap around the top. Then apply the PTFE tape on the top of the thread. And then put the tap back on, turning clockwise. As you can see, the tap head is plumb straight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so you can get notification every time I post a new video. Thanks.